Good morning, children. Hello, how are you all? I am Ramya, your science teacher of Kakatiya Public School. So, in our last class, we have discussed about the air, its uses, and if air is more, what happens to us. That all we have discussed in our last class. Today, we are going to discuss about the water. So, all living organisms like plants, people, animals, birds, everything need water. Everyone need water. If you feel thirsty, you will take water. And to grow, to grow the plants, we need water. And in summer season, in our balconies, birds will be coming and they are searching for the water. Okay, so every living organism, all the living organisms on the land need water. So, water has many uses. Water has many uses. You know, in which cases we will be using water from morning to night? We will be using water for cooking. Yes, for cooking, for drinking, to bath. Yes, for bathing, for cleaning. Yes, and more cleaning, bathing, drinking, cooking, yes, washing, etc. In many things we need water. For cooking the food, we need water. Yes, for drinking, if we feel thirsty, yes, we feel thirsty, so we will take water. For bathing also we need water. Yes, for cleaning, you want to clean anything like your cycle, yes, your house, we need also water. For washing anything, for washing the clothes, we need the water. So, water has many uses. Not only these uses, many other uses are also there of water. Next, coming to the where do we get water from? Where do we get water? Where do we get water? From where do we get water? Yes, so from morning to night we are using water in many ways, but from where it is getting, you know? You don't know, I will say. So, generally, you are using water in your house. So, from where it is coming, you will be thinking it is coming from the taps. Yes? Thinking from the taps. If you on a tap, water will be coming and you will be using that water. Yes? So, but to the taps, how water is coming? So, if you go to any places, you will be seeing water on the roadsides. So, like that we call them as rivers. Like small area, if water is there, we call rivers, ponds, lakes. Yes, and also from underground water. From where we get groundwater. See, and from these rivers, ponds and lakes, we will be seeing rivers, ponds, lakes. Then in Basar we have river, Ganga river. Like that, ponds, small areas, if water is there with ponds, small areas will have the that we call it as ponds and lakes. So from that we will be getting the water. And one more source of water is rain. From rain we will be getting the water. In rainy season it will be raining. This is a rainy season, no? It will be raining. In rain, that rain water will be go under the ground and it will be storing there. From when we have dig a bore wells, no? At that time we will get water from the bores. And how rain will be causing? The water from the rivers, lakes, ponds goes into the sky and clouds will be forming. You know clouds, children? Clouds will be forming and from clouds we will be getting the rain. Yes, from clouds we are getting the rain. So in this way we will get the water. In this ways we will be getting the water. So, and our last thing is save water. Save water. That means, so we are using the water in these many things. We are using the water for many purpose, for many cases. In many cases we are using the water. And what is our duty, beta? What is our duty? We have to save water. That means we should not waste water. We should not waste the water. Don't waste the water. For example, from morning you will be waking up, right? At the time of brushing, your teeth, you should off the tap. When it is not necessary, you have to off the tap while brushing. Okay? Don't on the tap till the brushing completes. Okay? Once you started brushing, turn off the tap and brush your teeth. Later on the tap. When you are necessary, you should on the tap. And also, you will be bringing water to the school. Yes, you will drink total water, and from the school you will be filling your water in a water bottle. Yes, while going to home, don't throw water here and there. You just throw water to the plants nearby your house or nearby your school. And first, like tell your mother also, while cooking, sufficient water only we have to take for cooking or for cleaning or whatever it may be, the things we are using. Okay, we should not throw the water unnecessarily. We should not pour anywhere. Just add to the plants. We just pour water to the plants. And how much sufficient amount of water is needed to you, that much only you use. Okay, for example, you want to drink glass of water, you will be filling in your house. You will drink half of the water and you will be throwing half. You should not do in that way. Half you have to, if you want to take half only, fill half only. Later on if you want to drink more, again you fill half. But don't take more and don't waste half. Okay? How much you are necessary, that much only we have to take the water. If we save water, we will only be getting we will having more water in our environment. Okay, in our surroundings we will be having the water. And also for cleaning or anything, washing clothes or while doing bath, don't use showers. Don't use showers while bathing. Why? Because that water will be wasting. Use bucket and mug for taking bath. Okay. So if you follow these rules, and you will be saving more water. And also give water. Before going into the worksheet, and some more ways to save water is nothing but, now rainy season, children. When rain comes, like when it's raining, at that time you need to collect that rain water. It will be very fun in collecting the rainwater and that rainwater you can be used for washing your clothes and also for cleaning the cars or any vehicles, and our floors also we can be cleaned, and we can also use to clean the vegetables. Okay, so and also you will be very much having fun in making a paper boats, and you will be living in the rainwater. So do that fun in when it rains heavily in your in our places, but be like in presence of your parent only you do all the things. Okay, you are very good children, right? So coming to the worksheet, here is a small worksheet this time, as the topic is very small worksheet. First one is write the 3 uses of water. Many uses are there, no children? You have to write only the 3 uses of water. Write 2 ways to save water. Just now I discussed about the ways how we can save water. Okay, here are the few jumbled words. Here one word is there, no? Here actually this word is drink. Okay, this word is drink. But that spelling is given in a like a jumbled way. Here and there that word is given. You need to write a correct word. Okay, by seeing this word you have to write a correct word. These all words are related to our topic only. These words are not from other topics, but from your topic only these words are there. For one example I have written to you RKIDN. That means drink, D-R-I-N-K, drink. Okay, this is all about. Second one is KOOC, third, fourth. This is all about the